giờ sáng nè. Đây mình sẽ dốc.
Hey guys, so normally we meet here, but we're going to meet at Excalibur today. Is to use the restroom over at Excalibur. Okay, you don't really want to use the one on the bus here. Me under the seat, we're not going to need that. So that's the end of my safety lecture, guys. Hopefully that was entertaining for you. So now at this point in the trip, people always, the ground is really sandy. Under the sand there's a layer of rock called caliche. It's like concrete basically. So the water just runs off. So we have problems with flooding. The power company, the power plant I should say, they're producing enough energy to supply every household in the United States with a 40-watt light bulb. So his family can collect better benefits. Can't say that I blame them. But nobody's actually buried in the dam. Alright, this gives you some idea what the natural vegetation is like out here in the Mojave Desert. It's $39.
I get a lot of cars.
That'd be a pretty good ad, actually. Pretty good commercial. Alright, we're gonna flip. Now, if you guys, we would normally just keep your eyes open. Largest single span concrete archway bridge in the Western Hemisphere. We're going to drive off the bridge later on today. We'll be 890 feet above the Colorado River. If you took the rides off the top of the Stratosphere Tower, you would fit underneath the bridge. So this is a huge bridge. We're going to see it coming up. It's right next to the dam. This area reminds me of Route 66 out towards Oatman, except there's no guardrails on Route 66. It's like, have a nice trip. See you next fall. Yeah, watch for sheep. They're around here sometimes. Okay guys, we're coming up on a security checkpoint. They're very concerned about security down here at the dam. Alright. Yeah, one boy, one girl there. O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, the largest single-span concrete archway man who died building the dam. And they're doing all kinds of construction, reconstruction, deconstruction, whatever they're doing here. Normally you could see their feet of the statues, and the toes are very shiny because people think if they rub the toes, they're going to get lucky on the slot machine. Does work, but you have to rub the toes of both statues at the same time. Just like everything, you have to know the secrets around here. Alright, it's 14 minutes after 8. Look how low the water is. How low can you go? Pretty low. Very low. And you know, the snow is melting up in the Rockies. The lake should be going up, but it doesn't look like it's going up to me. Almost 4,000 feet long. Quite a water slide there.
Khủng khiếp thì sao mà người ta có thể xây được vậy hay. Wow.
Now rumor has it that Donald Trump Alright, Alright, so we're going to see the spill. Now you can see the spillway tunnel again on the right. Alright guys, we're going to pull up here and stop for just a few minutes. I'm going to let you out so you can take some damn photos. We're just going to be here for about 5 minutes. Okay. If you have some trash, do me a favor, throw it in the brown bin up there. This little trash bag isn't going to cut it here, so just use that brown bin. I think the green one is for recycle.
Hai nhỏ nè. Sao là cái gì không biết nữa. Cái tháp gì đó không biết.
Oven?
Bỏ.
See those square grates on the spillway channel there? That's where the water level is designed to be out here. During that big flood in '83, the water was almost touching those bridges that connect the big towers in the middle there. Those towers are called inlet towers. They're like big filters to keep the debris from going down into the tunnels. Back during that flood, there was more water than the Niagara Falls going through this spillway tunnel. Also on the other side, there was more water than the Niagara Falls. More than 2 Niagara Falls worth of water going around the dam here. Okay, I'm going to pretend like I have to take this corner really wide. No, maybe not here. Now we got a car coming, so let you guys see down in the left. That was my plan. But alright. Now the visitor center, this tower, and this building with the parking structure, that's the visitor center. The visitor center was completed back in '96. The dam was completed back in 1935. It cost $49 million to build the Hoover Dam. Which one do you think costs more, the Hoover Dam or the visitor center? Yeah, the visitor center. Which one do you think was on time and under budget, the visitor center or the dam? Yeah, it was the dam. Damn it. Now the bridge was $242 million. I think they did a nice job. I think it's a good looking bridge.
There's a boat.
Xong 1931, 1935.
Are at an angle to keep the power lines away from the walls of the canyon. There's a lot of iron content in this rock here. All this pink rock. Was pulling in that commercial was not from the Hoover Dam. Here's the cable train again. Top of it now. Now that crane has been running strong for 80 years. No malfunctions in 80 years.
Those are goats. Oh, 3 of them. There's 3 of them. Oh, and there's one.
very similar to the last time that we were in Arizona, which is about 10 minutes ago.
Welcome to Arizona.
All right, I'll wake you up here in about 40 minutes when we're in
Bây giờ
Dolan
đã
Spring.